Not to indict Officer Daniel Pantaleo in the chokehold death of Eric Garner in New York. Protests continue across the country. In fact, here in the Valley, local demonstrators are getting together right now down at our iconic Welcome to Las Vegas sign to protest that decision. That's where we find News 3's Christine Kim. And Christine, they always tell us they're expecting a big crowd. We never know until we show up. So how many people are out there?
Well, right now people are starting to trickle in, and the plan is for demonstrators to meet here at the Las Vegas sign and then march about 2 miles to the Tropicana. Now, we've seen across the nation all of these protests. Some have even gotten violent, but the main goal for this one is for it to stay peaceful. And to tell us more is the organizers for this protest, Jessica Jones-Tannan. So tell us about how many people you're expecting here tonight.
I'm expecting at least 200, if not more. There have been over 1,000 invites sent on Facebook. There's other social media accounts that have also been very active and supportive of this demonstration. So I'm looking for a really, really nice turnout tonight.
And right now people are starting to park, so they're starting to roll on in right now. But the goal is, you're saying, is to stop traffic at some point. Talk to us about that and why that's important in them.
Yeah, I think the importance of stopping traffic is so that you inconvenience people. You force people to look at this issue and say, what's all the fuss about? Because you have so many people across this country that have no idea who Eric Garner is, who Trayvon Martin is, who Mike Brown is, who Sean Bell is, who Tamir Price is. There's so many different people around this country that have no idea about any of these situations, and we want to force this on them, to force them to look at it and to accept that this is something that we need to get a hold of and they need to pay attention to. So if we have to inconvenience you on a Wednesday night on the Las Vegas trip, so be it.
So right now people are starting to trickle in. You're expecting about 200 people, you said, but they are parking right now. As you say, you connected with some of the organizers here. So although they said that this was going to start at 6 o'clock, you're thinking more about 7 o'clock is when they'll start walking down and marching down Las Vegas Boulevard. And we'll be sure to bring you any updates as they become available. Reporting live tonight, I'm Christine Kim, News 3.